I know many of us are familiar with this recent trend you can see above, the half sewing, half braid hairstyle that is reigning this period. So in this video, I'll be showing you five different ways to achieve this look. The fifth one is actually a bonus. So if you don't want to miss out on this bonus, ensure you watch this video to the end. Don't forget, we always give you updates all the time, so ensure you watch this video to the end. So let's get started with the video. So I believe after watching this video, you've learned these different ways, different styles of achieving the half sewing and half braid hairstyle method. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You know, we always give you updates all the time. So hit the subscribe button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also share with your family and friend. And most importantly, leave a comment under this post, so that a lot of people can be saying, and YouTube can be pushing it out to a lot of people to be able to watch more and understand and learn about this new hairstyle. So see you in the next video. We love you. Bye.